whew, my body is more loose than I think it's been in a very, very long time.
I noticed that I felt a lot more calm. It just got so deep so quickly. It's why I call TRE mindfulness on steroids.
So TRE has really helped me to actually stop running away from my body. It is just amazing. TRE is a reminder of us to come back and be with our bodies and just exploit more.
It's amazing. I feel much more relaxed and at ease and able to approach situations with a lot more of a level head.
What I would like to say is that overall, once we do TRE, everybody is calmer, and the kids who wet the bed don't wet the bed for about a week.
Why TRE spoke to me is I'm not a meditation guy. I can't sit in a corner and I can't turn my mind off. Yoga didn't appeal to me because I'm not flexible. In counseling, I just didn't want to sit there and regurgitate this process over and over.
It was amazing. I found that it was like an instant sort of shift, and I feel that I'm a better person for it. Calmer, I can look sort of adversity in the eye. It's amazing, life-changing.
Just to relax the body and still my mind and recharge, re-energize my body.
I think anybody who's doing sports, if you don't do this, you're going to be behind the curve if everybody does start doing this. I'm a massage therapist and I work on them and worked on their injuries, so I know people injure themselves. This seems like it's just the next level of things to heal. So yeah, I definitely recommend it to anybody who does sports.
The moment I start practicing it, I start feeling myself letting some stuff go away and kind of reaching the center again of my soul.
It just feels magical. Like, it's a bit of a funny word maybe for some people, but there's something to it that's so innate and human, and I love the simplicity of it, and I love getting it out of the way with the mind and letting the body do its own work.
And I found myself in and out of therapist offices and counselors' offices, and as we know, that they were really focused kind of on the psychological component, right? But nothing ever was recommended for the body. Whenever I was introduced to TRE, it began to introduce me to body. I was like, oh, I have a body. We never talked about that part.
I'd never experienced something like that before. Like, I feel incredibly good, like physically in my muscles. I feel really loose and really relaxed and really centered, almost kind of high. It was really fascinating for me to see that the release came out of those two areas, here and here, you know. So it was a really awesome ride.